Hare Krishna, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Srila Prabhupada. Welcoming you all to religious world. This is Sanjay Priya Das. I mean your servant. Hope that you're perfectly situated in Krishna consciousness. Dear devotees, today we'll talk about, serve according to your ability. You may be a student, you may be a teacher, you may be a householder, you may be a sannyasi, you may be a brahmacharya, or you may be in any kind of profession. It doesn't matter at all. Take an example how we can serve. And actually, in terms of serving Lord, Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, ISKCON, anybody else or any Seva, that is called selfless service. Seva means selfless service. So, you can serve wherever you are. It doesn't matter. Our main intention is that we have to serve. So, being a student or being a householder or whoever we are, our target would be to serve. That is why there is no benchmark of serving. Usually, in terms of material world, if we think about a clerk, we underestimate that guy. If someone is manager, we consider him or her, oh, great, having a good position. But in devotional life or devotional service, every service is calculated equally, which is calculated by the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Krishna. So, you may be in the temple, brooming the floor, cleaning the bathroom, cutting the greens, vegetables, giving lectures, sitting on a basasan, managing the temple, writing book for the society, preaching Krishna consciousness all over the world. Who is cleaning the toilet? He will get the same result being a sannyasi who is preaching globally. So there is no benchmark. Only the benchmark is serving mandatory. If we can serve, that will be counted by the Lord. That is why, whoever we are, it doesn't matter. Just we have to serve. That is why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, you don't have to change your position. Just serve from your position. Srila Prabhupada said that I have established ISKCON. You just have to change the consciousness, attitude. For example, you are buying something, some fruits. It may be for your sense gratification. But being a devotee, if you think, what do you think? You think, I will buy the fruits for Lord Krishna. I will offer for the first time. Then, I'll take it. So this is the way, whenever we start for the first time, then it will be quite regular. That is why, dear friends, dear devotees, according to the Srila Prabhupada's concept, what we have to do? We have to just change our consciousness and mentality. Because if we see, ISKCON stands for International Society for Krishna Consciousness. According to the Rupa Goswami, we see that he said many times that we have to serve Lord. And according to the Padma Puran, what we have to do? We have to serve according to our financial ability. That is why we have to serve again and again. For example, you might have a lot of amount of money. You can donate that money, give the charity, you can establish a temple. But you have no money. You just offer obeisances to the altar, Vigraha. That's enough. That is why what we have to think that whatever we do have, with that we have to serve. To serve Krishna, we don't have to have PhD degree, postdoctoral degree, master degree, no education, no quality is required. Only qualification is that just surrender and serve. It may be a little from the viewpoint of materialistic way. The material people, the way they think. But in terms of devotional life or devotional service, whatever the service you serve for the God, that will be counted. Someone is writing, someone is preaching globally, doesn't matter. Our prime concern is that to serve. Someone is cooking and we are having prasadam. So, the gist is that we can serve Lord, Guru Maharaj, Srila Prabhupada, ISKCON, our teaching Guru, our Diksha Guru, our senior Prabhujis and Mataji's order from our position. It doesn't matter. Whatever the service is given to us, just to serve. All glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Srila Prabhupada, all glories to Srila Prabhupada.